Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to Crypto Airdropper. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim 20 Unicat tokens. Okay, Unicat tokens are currently running a free airdrop. So in today's video, like I mentioned, I'll show you guys how you can claim this free airdrop and how you can swap it instantly to BNB on Trust Wallet. Okay, so stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss out on anything important. Okay, so I already made a post about this on my Telegram channel. Okay, so to claim this airdrop, you need to have Trust Wallet, and you also need to have a little amount of smart chain to pay for the network fees that's required for claiming this free airdrop. Without any further ado, let's get into the video proper. So what you do is you need to I'll be dropping the link to this post in the description of the video. You come over here, you copy this link. Okay, you copy this link. So after copying this link, you open your Trust Wallet. Okay, so you open your Trust Wallet. So when you open your Trust Wallet, it's supposed to look something like this. Okay, then you click on your D apps browser, click on your D apps, then you go to the search bar at the top and you paste the link. Okay, so once you paste the link, then you search it. You click on search. So it's supposed to load up. So if you want so you can join their Telegram group, their Telegram channel, or you can follow them on Twitter. So right now just close this page. So this is what the airdrop page is supposed to look like. Okay, so Unicat, or UCAT for short, is a delicious token that powers the Unicat finance ecosystem. You earn Unicat from farms and syrup pools. You win it in lottery, or you buy it on the exchange, then you explore its use cases. Okay, so they're giving out a total capital. They have a total capital of $50 million, a total value of about 500 million UCATs are locked. Okay, so the called capital is about 1,500 BNB right now. So you can also check out their white paper here. You can subscribe to their Telegram channel here. Okay, so this is like the partners. They'll be listed, they're already listed on PancakeSwap, they'll be listed on KuCoin and Binance and 5 others. Okay, so the airdrop started like since on the 15th of this month and it will be ending on 10th July. Okay, so right now they've seen a progress of about 15%. So this is where you get your referral link, which you will share with your friends and family to earn more. Okay, to earn more UCAT tokens. So they have a 100 million supply for the airdrop. Okay, so this is the section for buying the tokens. Okay, where you can buy you can pay as low as 0.05 BNB, or as high, or the maximum of 50 BNB to purchase the UCAT token. Okay, so they have sold about 115.49 BNB worth of UCAT tokens, and the total maximum sale they need is about 350. So they have seen a progress of about 33%. Okay, so with as low as 0.05 BNB, you'll get 1,250 UCAT tokens. However, this is not a financial advice, so do your own research before you purchase any cryptocurrency, and make sure you always purchase the amount you can risk losing. That is, never purchase more than you can risk losing. Okay, because cryptocurrency is a risk. So because we are all taking risk here, but if you do your own research well and you invest wisely, it's going to be worth your while. Okay, so now let's get to the main agenda for today. That's how to claim the Unicard token. Okay, so to claim this token, what you do is, once you paste the link and it brings you to this page, the first thing you need to do is you change your network to Smart Chain. So you click on this icon at the top, you click on it, that's this Ethereum icon, then you choose Smart Chain. Okay, so you choose Smart Chain, the page will reload. So once the page is reloads, you scroll down to where it says this place where it says, so sorry, you scroll down to where it says claim Unicard. Okay, so once you click, so you scroll down there and you click on it, you click on claim Unicard. So click on it. As you can see, I've already claimed the airdrop, so it's not coming up for me. But once you click on it, if you've not claimed the airdrop before, once you click on it, so it will make actually to make a payment, that you pay a network fee of about between, I think, between 10 to 30 cents or so. You pay the network fee using your Smart Chain BNB. So after paying the network fee, the transaction will process, and once the transaction is complete, you receive your Unicard tokens. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you need to do is come back to the post I made. You copy out this contract address. So after copying the contract address, you go back to your Trust Wallet, go back to your main wallet. Okay, you go back to your main wallet. So then you click on this icon at the top. Yeah, you click on this icon at the top. So after clicking it, you click on it and you paste the contract address. So after pasting it, the Unicard token was supposed to appear, then you flip it on. Okay, so after flipping it on, you open it. So you're supposed to see the 20, you're supposed to see the 20 Unicard tokens you just claimed. Okay, so that brings us to the end of how you can claim this token. So the next thing is how you can swap it instantly to BNB on PancakeSwap. So this token is already listed on the PancakeSwap exchange, so that means you can exchange it. So to do that, what you do is you come back to your D apps. Okay, you come back to your D apps. Okay, so once you're back on your D apps, you scroll down to where it says PancakeSwap. Okay, so this, and you open it. So once you open it, it's supposed to be automatically connected. Okay, so but if it's not connected, you'll see something like this. Then you click on unlock wallet. You either click on unlock wallet or you click on this. Okay, on connect, sorry, you click on connect or you click on unlock wallet. So once you click on it, it will ask you to connect your wallet. Then you choose Trust Wallet. Okay, you choose Trust Wallet. If you're using MetaMask, you should choose MetaMask. If you're using Token Pocket, you choose that, or SafePal, you choose that. So I'm using Trust Wallet, I'll choose Trust Wallet. So once you do that, then as you can see, so at the top, this box, that's this spot at the top, you click on where it says BNB, then you paste the contract address of the Unicard token you copied from the from my Telegram channel. You paste it there so that it appears. Okay, so once you paste it there, Unicard will appear. Then you click on it. Okay, so it will appear. Then you come over here to where it says select the currency and you choose BNB. Okay, so let's say you want to swap all of your Unicard tokens, just click on max. So once you click on max, it will show you the amount of BNB you receive. So right now, price impact is too high, so let me reduce it. Okay, so let me reduce it. Let's say I want to get maybe 0.05 example. So as you can see, this can go. So then you click on swap anyway. Okay, so click on swap anyway. You click on swap anyway. So as you can see, they say since the price impact is, type confirm, because the price impact is a little bit too high. But yours might not necessarily show you all this, because your own price impact might be within range. Okay, so let me turn it down a bit so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, still too high, still too high, still too high. So let's say I want to swap 0.01 for example. So you see confirm swap. So as you can see, this is not asking me to do all that. So let me increase my slippage. Whenever it shows an error like that, try to increase your slippage, then make the swap again. So as you can see, so they'll ask you to confirm transaction by paying a little network fee. Okay, so to do that, you just have to click on approve. So once you click on approve, you confirm the transaction, and that's all. You receive your BNB on your smart chain wallet. Okay, so I think this brings us to the end of this video. It's your boy Crypto Airdropper. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it, turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so and you can also check out my other videos on my channel. Okay, because in a video I made 3 days ago, I showed you guys how you can claim free unlimited king tokens, okay, for free by using an app. Okay, so the process is still on and people are still earning from it. So if you've not seen the video yet, make sure you check it out and start claiming your own free king tokens. And you can also check out my other videos too. Okay, so I also have playlists for some things. Like you can check out my own playlist of on how to buy crypto, free online crypto, free airdrop tokens, how to make money online, and so on and so forth. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and hit this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.